the most important role was to sit at the table with 6 other people every week and make a case for my position. And you have to, it's an interesting, I say poker game, but it's similar to that. You have to know when to hold them and know when to fold them and know when to walk away and run. Because and I'm serious, it is, when you, it's politic, and I don't mean politic as in Democrat and Republican. It's politic in terms of how you persuade, how, who you're going to ask if somebody's against your position. In our court, there's a lot of, back and forth and going and coming and memo and this memo and then talking to 3 people before you talk to the 4th person. And it's fascinating. I love it. I have really enjoyed. But it is something that you have to be, if you're too doctrinaire, if you can't pull together consensus. I figured this out maybe my 4th or 5th year there. You're just going to sit on the sideline writing dissents all the time, and you won't have any power on the court. And it's your choice. Do you want to win or do you want to have real power? I've always said that I was going to serve as a nonpartisan judge, that I was a nonpartisan judge. And I got 62% of the vote when I ran the last time. And so I got not only progressive votes, but every kind of vote out there. And I thought it would be manipulative of the process, because the process is, if you want to leave, this governor makes the appointment. I didn't think it was, I thought it would be playing politics to stay when I said I would not, and when every judge says they will not, to stay on the court so that a Democrat, that's what you're saying, or I guess the Democratic majority in the state, right, can then vote for my successor, I imagine, or somehow that I could see that the person who could get in would be more like me. All of us sit on the court with shades on, sunglasses, and the shades are your experiences. So when you're looking at something, you have to look through that prism, because that's all you know. And you're trying to be faithful to the law and faithful to the Constitution, but I mean, your prism is different than the next guy. That's why there are 7 of us or 9 judges on the court, so that all of us can look at, through our own prisms, and we can talk about it, and we can reach a conclusion that we think is best. I mean, you don't want everyone sitting there with the same Polaroid glasses on.